Hello everybody, my name is Chandan Lal Patari. I am the author of the book The Scrum Master Guidebook. Today I am going to share 7-step process to become a great Scrum Master. And all these steps I have acquired over a period of time while working with 100 plus Scrum Masters and of course as a partners. So today I'm going to talk about them. So the first chapter is the Scrum Master is a great communicator. What I've observed as a great Scrum Master whenever I have worked with the various challenging projects or challenging program, the more and more the complex the project is, Scrum Master has to interact with the various diversified team member, various diversified stakeholder, various diversified team to collaborate. So as a result of that, the role demands as a Scrum Master we need to interact with the various challenging personalities, various challenging the teams and various types of complex issues has to be dealt with. So the better the communication aspects is, ability to understand whatever is said, whatever is not unsaid, and ability to really pursue the team program. So as a great communicator, Scrum Master can be a better Scrum Master once he or she develop this communication skill. The second step is a Scrum Master is a great creative person. So over a period of time, what I have seen, the more and more digital world we are getting in, more and more diversified, complex program we are dealing with as a Scrum Master. The routine monotonous activities are not enabling a Scrum Master to perform the role. So the diversified, complex program demand a Scrum Master to really come out with the different ways of managing the thing. So the more and more creativity we develop among ourselves as a Scrum Master is much more easier for us to play this role, though the circumstance will be much more challenging, though the circumstance will demand for us to deal with this such type of complex issue, but as and when we practice the creativity aspects, it's much more easier for us to tackle such type of complex issues. So in my book I have highlighted several steps to be taken to become a better creative individual, and we all need to exercise all those creative exercise so that we can actually develop this creativity muscle, and we can practice those things at our office or at our role and various roles, so that we can actually resolve different types of issues. Step number 3, the Scrum Master as a great companionable person. The Scrum Master is a great collaborator. So the Scrum Master can able to really build a relationship easily with the other team member, because he or she, as a part of a Scrum Master role, he or she has actually understood the people aspect, understood the what it takes for individuals to become a better individuals, and how can we empathize with others so that we can actually understand what others' needs are. So the Scrum as a Scrum Master individual has to be polished, and then only we can actually help the other team member also to develop those skills to become a better human being. Because digital world demand more and more ability to understand the others, because we are building a software product for the others, and more and more about understand the needs of the others by using the empathy or different other techniques. We can actually easily develop those aspects of ability to connect with the people in a better way and can solve the problem for them. So as a company enable person, as a Scrum Master, you can be a better enabler to build a better product and solution. Step number 4, Scrum Master is a competent team creator. So most of the best product developed by the high performance team, and Scrum Master is a default coach for the team. So as a Scrum Master, we can understand and learn what it takes to build a better team. So it need a lot of practice, a lot of rehearsal to understand the team dynamics, to understand the complexity and the different types of issues going through in the team. So by understanding all the different types of challenges, a Scrum Master can actually handle those things better. He or she can actually resolve those conflicts. He or she can actually become a glue for the team to enable the team to become a better team member. So in my book I have highlighted some of the steps which can help the Scrum Master to become a better team creator, and over a period of time, more and more complex program we get into, and more diversified team involved to build such teams, more and more we become a better Scrum Masters. Step number 5, Scrum Master is as a change agent, a change enabler. We change is a constant thing, and we are living in a world of a constant change. So more and more we understand the nature of the change, more and more we understand how do we actually enable those change to inject into the team. It will be make us a better Scrum Master, and as a Scrum Master we need to understand like why individuals resist whenever there is a new change introduced. So what are the best way to really deal with those change, and how can we actually help the team member to or ourselves also also to really embrace those change for the organization bigger benefits. So in my books also I highlighted, like, as a change aspects, we need to understand what it takes to inject those change easily into the team, and more we understand the big picture, more and more understand the different types of impact the change will bring, benefits or side effects, we can easily handle those change things. Step number skills, be it visionaries, be it a great communicator, be it a passionate individual, be it a purposeful life, all those aspects has to be developed inside ourselves. So once we develop all the skills among ourselves to become best leader, we can actually coach the team to become a coach for the team, and help the team also to become leader. Because once we are a leader, we actually communicating with the end user, with the customer, we can improve our product and solution ability to product and solution building. The step number 7, as a Scrum Master, as a great catalyst, because irrespective of any circumstance, Scrum Master has to be the most energetic person, because Scrum Master has to really enable us. He or she has to really engage the team, energize the team, and empower the team members. As a Scrum Master, I have highlighted some of the aspects like which can help the individuals to become a great motivation into the work. So once you understand the tricks, once you understand the trade secrets of individuals to contribute a better way, we can actually enable those individuals to really always perform better. So all those 7 steps I have practically applied. All those 7 steps I'm seeing as a lifelong endeavor to really master in this 7 area, and I have highlighted around hundreds of different topics or subtopics around this 7 area, and I strongly believe, like, when you consciously exercise all those steps to really polish those skills, we become a better Scrum Master. Though any type of complex projects thrown upon us, by exercising all those skills, we will become more robust, and we will be able to really handle our challenges much more easier way. And please read my book and spread this message with the other team member also, so that they also can get benefit by reading these books. Thank you very much for your time listening to me. All the best.